Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Duty Addict 615 here, and I am back with what I believe is the April, not the May, brown sugar box reveal. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so very much for joining. If you are a returning subscriber, all I'm going to say is it's not all me. It's not all me, the reason that these videos are going up late. Some of it is because of my work and travel schedule, but Easy and Live has recently had some issues with some of its vendors, and they've also been making some changes, contemplating some changes, and working on an update to their packaging. Now, our mailers, our boxes are still coming in an outside outer plastic kind of bag, something similar to like what you'd get from FedEx if you were getting one of those plastic mailers. But they are in the process of doing some other updates. I've not gone through the box, but I pulled everything out. And as you can tell, this is a different color, style, and size box than I've gotten the entire time that I've been with Izzy and Liv. So the first is this item that I'm not sure what is. The garment or whatever this is, because it is larger than the box, was actually also folded and put in with this envelope and the box in the plastic mailer, sealed and shipped. And this is this month's box. Now, as I understand the changes, the boxes are actually going to go through a little bit of an evolution. So I don't know that there will be the continuum of all of the pink boxes that I've received in the past. I'm not sure if this is the size of the new boxes, but as we continue to do these reveals, we'll talk about what's new. But this one is April. So I'll let you take that in. Beautiful color, loving the gold and the jewel tones. It is absolutely beautiful. But let's dive in to the box. And here is how the content is packaged. All right, let me just make sure. This is in, yes, it is April 2024. This box, I do not see. Okay, it has a $120 retail value. And the other thing that I want to note is that the magazine is back. There was a huge stir in the community, in the Brown Sugar Lounge, as it's referred to, about the magazine going away and how much people really enjoyed it and loved, you know, the pictures and stuff for like vision boards and school projects and things like that. So I'm happy that at least for this April box, the magazine is back, because tons of the pictures that have come over the years are on different years' vision boards that I've prepared. Excuse me, I'm getting over an illness. This month's box is the Evolving Soul edition, and the playlist is included is the Soulful Soiree playlist, and it again has $120 retail value. So let's dive into this box. The first item, which is outside of the box, we're going to start with the clothing item here, is a Izzy and Liv signature flowy blouse. There were two prints available, and let's see, two chic Izzy and Liv black and white signature blouses that marry comfort with style, with a 90s inspired throwback vibe, a nod to a cool laid back style at our 7-year journey of this box. Oh my goodness, I can't believe they've been around that long. I joined or subscribed to Izzy and Liv, I think about maybe 3 months or 4 months after the company launched the subscriptions. It's just hard to believe it's been 7 years. It says, make it fresh with this bold piece that's both modern and timeless, perfect for jazzing up your day to day. So there are two of them. One is an actual black and white, which is the Izzy and Liv logo all over, and then the one that I have is this one here that has, it looks like a bunch of different things on it. Let's see what's in here. All right, so here is the shirt, and it's got Izzy and Liv on a chain, and also on the chain there's a charm that says dope. There are earrings that say vibing, some that say culture. There's a ring that a 2-finger ring. One of them says dope, the other one says confidence. So it's got a bunch of different things on here. I'm really liking this. And the color with the black background can, of course, pair it with a lot of different things. But this kind of rustic old gold is definitely 90s vibe. The earrings, the chain, it's a whole thing. So that is the first item, and it has a retail value of $30. The next item in this box is earrings that say abundance. And here's what those look like. I will likely end up putting these in my gift closet, and someone will get these as a stocking stuffer for Christmas. I don't actually see them in the magazine, so I'm wondering if these were an add-on or if by chance I'm missing something. But those are the earrings. The next item is a Amina collectible tote that has a $15 retail value. And here is the tote, which absolutely is the graphic that was on the front of this month's box. So I love that. And it is on both sides. And it has cloth straps. So great for farmer's market, a festival, a carnival, those kinds of things. Carrying books maybe back and forth. It would also be a great add-on travel bag or on the airport, to the airport. This I really like, and I'm loving the colors in here. So it is a little bit of a cotton blend. It's actually canvas. So just so that you can maybe see that up close there. It is a canvas bag, so I'm loving that. The next item, let's get to this envelope here, is that what it is? Okay, Top Model Brown Sugar Edition sticker sheet. It has a retail value of $6. I think that's what this is. Yes. That is exactly what this is. So all of the different brown sugar babes, so whether, you know, in a journal, in a planner, on cards, on your cell phone case, refrigerator, little kids, whatever, those are stickers of previously featured brown sugar babes. So I'm not sure if this means they're going into retirement or if they're just sharing them because I think they're pretty cool. So that's there. I think I may use these in birthday cards for the rest of the year. And it's just that one sheet. But if you're interested in any of these items, you can actually go onto the Izzy and Liv website and purchase any items from this box or previous boxes. They actually have a retail section, So you can buy either the full box, you can subscribe, or purchase individual items. The next item is a brown sugar babe's guide to self-care, and it says prioritize yourself, 25 days of self-love and care, a brown sugar babe's guide, and it has a $12 retail value. And okay, so it says, welcome. This guide is an ode to the radiant spirit of Black women, designed to uplift, empower, and illuminate the path of self-care and well-being. You'll find a curated collection of affirmations and activities, each one a step towards nurturing your soul, embracing your inner strength, and to find moments to invest in yourself. This undated, flexible guide allows you to start and pause according to the rhythm of your life. I love that. We hope each page inspires you to bloom with confidence, to honor your unique path, and to find joy in the journey of self-care. Here's to 25 days of growth, joy, and self-celebration. Let the journey begin, Brown Sugar Babe. With love, Izzy and Liv. So that's it here. And as you can see, the beautiful graphics. And then it starts with celebrate your achievements. And there's an activity and an affirmation. And there's an herbal tea ritual, an activity, a mantra. Then there's a garden of gratitude that has an activity and an affirmation. So there's just bunches of different things. I love that each page seems to have a theme. So the art of letting go. This one is embracing change. So there's an activity and it says reflect on recent change in your life and identify the positive outcomes or learnings from it. Embrace these changes as steps towards your personal growth. And the affirmation says, I move with the winds of change, adapting and growing with resilience and grace. I think I'm going to incorporate this into like my morning meditation time and find a way to incorporate some of these activities. So the themes of the 25 days: paint your world, there's the warmth of sisterhood, creative writing escape, nature walk for the soul, crafting confidence, soulful songwriting, DIY spa day. I do that one a lot. I'm interested to see what their take is on it. Flourishing finances, planning growth, cultivating inner peace, bask in your beauty, capture your joy, reflective reading, the power of pause, harmony in health, learning and growing, celebrate your unique path, and reflect your ancestral wisdom. So that, I love this. I hope they do more of these. And I'm greedy. Izzy and Liv, 30 or 31 days in the month. Not that it's going to be continual, but I love this. And this would make a great stocking stuffer, a great gift guide, or even if you pick one up for yourself and you find other things, you could actually gift this and start someone out with whatever the activity is to help them along their way. So think about that for your stocking stuffers and summer, fall, winter gifts, since the spring folks are already behind us. The next item is an Amina print. Again, all tied back to the tote and to the design on the box. And then it has some little history and some ideas for strength, grace, beauty, all here on the back. This has a nope. It does not list a retail value on here. It's included, but it does not have a print. There is a $10 e-gift card included with this month's box. So I've got the code in my book for that. And then two more items in this box. It has $120 again retail value. This next is a folding hand fan with pouch. 6 different designs. I picked up several of these the last time they featured them. I love them. I actually gifted a few of them and used them as stocking stuffers during the holidays as well. And it is perfect because it is hot outside, and sometimes going through the TSA lines at the airport, you need just a little more of a breeze. So here is the design on the folding fan. And this is the matching storage case or pouch. There were 6 designs, and these have a $22 retail value. Look at that. So now it won't get all jumbled up in, there we go. Won't get all jumbled up in my bag. It will stay nice and neat, so I love that. And then the last thing for this month, it wouldn't be an Izzy and Liv box without a tea, a $25 retail value. And I am just surprised that it has taken this long to get one of these designs in a t-shirt. So I am loving it and cannot wait to move into this one. It is the OG Brown Sugar Girl Tee. And if you've been here and seen the boxes, seen the stickers, as soon as I show you the design on this tee, it is going to give you nostalgia, because look at this. It is like one of, if not the first, brown sugar box, brown sugar babe on a white tee. And you can see all of the gorgeousness of the artwork. And of course, it's not complete without the pink bubble. So that is the April Evolving Soul edition from the Brown Sugar box. Thank you so very much for watching. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about these items. Do you have a fave? And tell me, what should I do with my $10 gift card, my e-gift card for items from Izzy and Liv? Is there something you've seen in a prior video that you think I should go back and get? Is there something here you think I should pick up so that I have either an extra on hand or from my gift closet? Or should I hold on to it for future use? Thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, take care.